Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix DoorDash login error using some quick and effective steps. If you're unable to sign in, first double-check your email and password to make sure they are entered correctly, and try resetting your password if needed. Next, check your internet connection because a slow or unstable network can prevent login. After that, close the DoorDash app completely and reopen it, or restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. Now, make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store, as outdated versions can cause login issues. Also, try clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app to remove any corrupted data. If you're using a VPN, turn it off because it can block login attempts. Finally, if the issue still continues, contact DoorDash support for help, and your login problem should be resolved quickly. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.